Well, U.S. veterans from Michigan are now enjoying some special new recognition. Veterans came to VFW Post 423 in Washtenaw County to receive pins and awards for their service and to learn about resources available to them. It was a veterans fair hosted by U.S. Representatives Tim Walberg and Debbie Dingell, and one veteran was overcome by the special honor.
You know, this is why this little pin means more than most people ever thought it would mean.
Wow, isn't that sweet? Veteran employment specialists, service organizations, and counselors were on hand to help. And here's what Representative Dingell told the veterans.
Today is about being here as a community to make sure that we are helping you, giving you the resources that we need, hearing the issues that you have, trying to fight for them, and what do we need to be doing in Washington together.
We don't have a pin for you, but we're going to get you that pin because you're going to give us your name.
Tonight, Representatives Dingell and Walberg will hold a town hall meeting with the veterans at Washtenaw Community College in Ann Arbor. They're discussing health care benefits, other key issues. You heard Congressman Dingell, Woman Dingell there talking about, you know, they want to know what do they need because we can't give them enough for everything they've done. You know what I mean?
They sacrifice so much, their families, their lives, just everything to keep us safe here in America.
And we've heard too many times in the news that they're not getting the care that they need and everything else.
Absolutely.
So hopefully this can help.